Hey, this is Joshua again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful certified pre-owned 2019 Volkswagen Atlas SC with technology. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 3.6-liter VR6 FSI engine with an 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission with driver selectable modes. You get front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers, ABS and driveline traction control with the active blind spot monitor and sensors, lane keeping assist and departure warning, forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert with backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated leathered seats, radio with dual USB input and aux input, Bluetooth connectivity, rain sensing wipers, rear AC controls, power rear cargo liftgate, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.